took off from a sleepy Las Vegas, although that's a city that never sleeps. It's a long journey in front of us. Actually, it's even longer for Ken because we are traveling separately since Ken is taking a longer flight to get more miles to become a Cold for Life sooner.
So we're going to be taking off soon?
We will leave Las Vegas and get together again in Japan, where Ken is flying via Austin, Texas, and I will be flying via San Francisco. Although Ken took off a couple hours in front of me, we arrived to Japan almost the same time, Ken arriving only 30 minutes earlier, just in time to greet me.
So Z's flight just landed. And there she is.
And now we are finally united on our last leg to Bangkok. We were so close to business class, but didn't make it.
This time it was really quick getting through.
The flights from Las Vegas almost always are full. Doesn't matter if you fly in or out Las Vegas, where the flights to Japan, especially since on a very strong lockdown currently due to a new COVID variant, were about 50 to 70% full, and the flights to Bangkok were quite full. After collecting our bags, we are due to check in with our hotel, where we will be picked up and taken directly to the hotel to do a COVID test. So around noon, we should know our test results, and if it's negative, we are good to go. And that was the immigration quarantine exception rule for that time, called Test and Go.
So all the bags made it. And what we'll do is we'll go through this bag, and this bag to show you what I brought for the boat. Mostly it's in this bag and this bag. This bag here is mostly my clothes, and this bag is Javila's clothes. And then we've got those two bags with computer stuff and cameras. But anyways, we are in the hotel. So what happened?
We are COVID negative. Those are the tests done in the hotel, and those are the ones we're supposed to do in a couple of days. Those are the self-tests.
And did it cost you anything?
Well, I think that was paid in the package altogether.
Yeah, all in the package.
Yeah, and we had lunch. So
And
we
you
had
had breakfast.
breakfast, we had lunch, and we can stay here longer, so we have a lot of luggage, so we don't have to check out at noon and check in someplace else at like 3. So here it's easier.
We get 24 hours here.
Yeah,
So we got here around 2 o'clock in the morning, so we can stay until 2 o'clock.
if we want to. And then look for new adventures at 2 a.m.
Yeah, that's not happening. All right, go get your computer. We'll look for a hotel.
Yes, sir.
It's a good thing you travel light.
Well noted. Our next hotel is in the center of Bangkok. And this was Saturday afternoon, and the traffic was pretty bad. What we heard, it's pretty common in Bangkok. So it's hustling as bustling and looks very busy for holidays, shopping, and around.
I wonder what the hell she's doing. But this is actually really nice. Hola, how are you?
Filming. I'm good. That's a nice place you got, Kenny.
Yeah, this ain't so bad.
Ain't so bad. But it's very nice.
Yeah, I think this is probably the best hotel we've stayed in a long time.
Oh yeah.
What do we got here?
We saw how busy was the Bangkok center, but we also wanted to see how more touristy areas of Bangkok are doing. Therefore, we took off to oldie good Khao San Road.
So we're just pulling back into Khao San Road.
And just to back up a little bit, this is how it looked like January 2020. And this, during the COVID, right before I left to Europe. And this is now. So we cannot play the music that sounded in the streets. But anyways, that was a cacophony of the most popular top music, and I can tell you it was louder than ever. And salespeople in the street, while shying off in front of cameras, as soon as we put them down, they were straight in your face, trying to sell whatever they're selling, I guess out of desperation to make ends meet. But it did not feel good. We could not wait to get out of there as soon as possible, as it was hardly bearable.
So it's Saturday night, and there's the line to get in. And this is on the other side. We just left, and we're heading over to get a massage.
Luckily, adjacent streets were still nice, with some people, and not as raging.
Now this is so much nicer than Khao San. We could sit down and have a drink or something. See, this is really nice. This place reminds me of the old Khao San Road. What do you got to say for yourself?
It's a very nice hotel. My hubby is really spoiling me.
Who is that masked man? Of course, everybody's a masked man now.
Next day, we decided to chill and relax, as the following day we will be flying again. later, after a lazy afternoon, we decided to go for a walk in the city. The city was very lively. There was some anime show going on in the town, and the whole place was decorated and feeling very festive. That was so impressive and really enjoyable. But now it's time to rest, as tomorrow is another day flying to Aquarius. Yes, we check out and then taxi.
Where would you like to go?
Dongmyeon Airport.
Dongmyeon Airport.
Yes.
Are you ready?
It is.
Yes?
Yep, that's it. Thank you. Did I almost leave the GoPro?
You know what you did.
I almost left the GoPro in the hotel room. I just thought about it last thing, and then we found it on the floor. Or actually, my wife found it on the floor.
You just ran around cursing.
Who's the worst person in the world?
I don't know. So this is a domestic airport, Don Muang. This is my husband, Ken,
No way.
Captain Ken.
I'm actually married to you? Hallelujah.
You want to go check out if any of the gifts is for you?
Oh, that one says Captain Ken on it. Happy 62.
On your boarding pass, we board zone 2 passenger first, followed by zone 3 and family zone 1. Please have your passport or identification card with the photograph page open and boarding pass ready for inspection by luggage staff and crew.
So I spent extra money to get all this leg room. And we're flying past France right now. I saw New York a couple of minutes ago. This is a very fast vehicle. I love this aircraft. I think I'm just gonna stay on board.
Bye.
Wait, where are you going?
Is that the plane we are taking?
Yeah, that's the plane you're taking.
And you? Pretty empty.
Oh, that's a plane I want to fly right there. I think I could get that off the ground. Wings look like the right shape.
I don't think you're gonna fit in it.
I can chop off some legs and arms. I'll fit myself in.
Oh yeah.
She is looking pretty damn good.
Okay, I'm going upstairs.
Oh, let's turn the lights on so we can get some light.
Voila!
We have lights. How's it feel?
Like home.
Yeah. Oh, you haven't seen this over here.
Now I do.
Ooh. What do you think? I know you don't like it as much.
Nope. I would have done differently. I think this is what we're gonna need. Oh. Which one is this?
It's a GoPro 5, I think.
Ah.
Alright, everything's looking good. Let's make sure our bilge pump is working. Jesus Christ, I forgot. Oh, there it is. No, that's
No.
gas. Jesus, I forgot which one's the
It
bilge.
has to be.
Oh yeah, there you go. Let's listen for it. Working. Yeah, that should do it. We're done.